Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle crank. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is SHIMANO PR4. Specifications. Brand name, SHIMANO. Model number, PR4. Use, road bicycles. Material, steel. Category, suit. Origin, mainland China. The item number 4 is SHIMANO P325. Specifications. Brand name, SHIMANO. Model number, P325. Use, road bicycles. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, crank. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, SHIMANO PR2. Specifications. Brand name, SHIMANO. Model number, PR2. Use, road bicycles. Material, aluminum. Category, suit. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is SHIMANO 105 R7000. Specifications. Brand name, SHIMANO. Type, bicycle chainwheel. Model number, FCR7000/R7100. Use, road bicycles. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, suit. Origin, JP Origin. FCR7000, 2x11s. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, SHIMANO DEORE FCM 5100. Specifications. Brand name, SHIMANO. Model number, DEORE FCM 5100. Use, mountain bikes. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, chain wheel. Origin, mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.